Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the sixth installment of the BJJ breakdown rolling footage videos. That is always going to be a mouthful. Today we are featuring another video with a ZR Team white belt and me being the purple belt. And like I said, if you see anything in the video that needs to be worked on my end, any criticisms, please comment in the comment section. I'm always trying to get better at my jiu-jitsu. So without further ado and all that out of the way, let's get into this breakdown video. So the reason that we started off laughing here is because I'm trying to give him the slap bump and he thought I was going for a move, a technique. So it's always interesting to see white belts being cautious and everything. But here we are going to just start on our knees, and I'm sitting to my butt because I'm probably going to start playing an open guard position here. So I go ahead and get a grip on the lapel. He grabs a grip on the ankle and starts to try to knee cut. I'm not able to establish any type of guard here. So I grab the ankle instinctively, trying to set up a De La Hiva, not able to do it. I angle my hips out and get a hook in with my right foot. He is going to get into an over-under position. However, his arm is actually not in the under position, and I'm able to get the top lock position, the closed guard top lock that I've been working in so many of my other videos. It's actually from the Danaher Go Further Faster close guard, and I've been having major success with it. As you can see here, I've got the top lock on the top of the lever. He's doing a good job of trying to posture up. I'm forcing that arm across the center line and angling, and I'm going to try to set up a triangle here. He's going to angle his hips out and start trying to stack me. What I'm trying to do is get that arm very far across to set up the triangle here. As you can see, I lock the triangle, but as you can see, my angle isn't all the way correct. What I should have done here is put my foot back on the hip and angled more to get the position that I was trying to go for. So here he's able to slam my hips down and he's going to start to try to work out of the triangle. But what you can't really see in the video here is that I have a grip on his right arm, and what I'm trying to do is angle my body downwards to switch this triangle from a triangle to an armbar position. So here he's going to try to cartwheel over. I'm able to sweep him and try to set up the armbar. I'm not able to because he postures back up, but he's still locked in the top lock position. I'm trying to angle and switch to an armbar from the top, but he's able to pull his arm and secure the elbow, so I don't have that. He's able to slide his head over and get into a passing position, but he's not able to because I've got his leg kind of locked. I'm using my bottom hook to keep him at bay, and here I set up, and I'm trying to get back to the close guard to work that top lock position again. He's going to stuff that leg and knee cut over. However, I'm able to get my hips out from under me and get him in the side control position here. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking that far lapel and I'm pulling it under his head and grabbing it with my right hand and just putting in a lot of pressure in the side control, which is what I like to do to try to control bigger people who are also wrestlers. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to angle my left hip up and get my knee on his belly. Just get the points here, grab the pant leg and really force that knee on belly until he's able to shrimp out and force the knee back to the mat. So here he's trying to grab my far lapel and he's got the underhook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to angle to my right hip, grab that far pant leg and swing my leg over for the mount. And then I'm going to grapevine my feet because I know that he's going to be bucking and trying to get me off. He kind of gets to his side here, but I'm able to force him back into the mount position. And then he's going to give a huge bridge and I'm just going to float over him. If you need to slow that down, just slow it down. But I basically float over him and get into the back mount position and then a technical mount position here. And what I'm doing here is I'm working on that far arm that I'm trying to trap. I'm trying to set up a mounted armbar position. Like I said, I'm going back to the basics, but he's able to roll me over and we end up back in the closed guard position. So now it's time to work from there again. So here he's going to stand and I'm going to basically take my knees to my chest and pull him back into the closed guard position. Here he's going to get both hands in my armpits and I'm going to try to angle in. And the reason he's laughing is because I actually showed him how to break somebody's posture when they do that very move. So, it's kind of funny that he recognized that right away. So what he's going to try to do here is put his arms on my knees and try to break the closed guard that way, and then he's going to actually use my chest as a launching point and stand up both feet at the same time, stopping me from doing that 1-2 close guard pull. But unfortunately for him, I'm able to get his arm all the way across the center line and angle into the side scissor position that Danaher closed guard go further faster. Here I'm waiting, I'm angling out, and when he pressures into me, I'm going to get a awesome pendulum sweep here. His arm is all the way across, get the pendulum sweep, and unfortunately for me, and I guess the people listening to this breakdown, we are going to go off screen for quite some time here, but until we do that, I'm going to keep commenting. So here I'm working the mount position. He's going to give a big hip bump, and I'm going to end up in the technical mount, and here he's going to hip bump the other way, still working that technical mount, not giving him any room to get his to get out of the mount position. But unfortunately for us, we are going to go off screen, and that is probably where I'm going to have to end the video, because the rest of it actually happens off screen. So even though that last section happened off the camera screen, there was actually only about 5 or 6 seconds left in the roll, so you guys didn't miss anything. I was just able to hit that pendulum sweep and control the mount position until the timer ran out. So again, if you guys saw anything in my rolling footage that you want to critique, that you think I should work on, that you want to make me aware of, please leave a comment in the comment section. I'm always trying to get better at jiu-jitsu, get that 1% better every single time I roll. And again, thank you guys for watching, and we will be bringing more BJJ rolling footage breakdown videos to the channel, so stay tuned for that. And once again, thanks for watching. Peace.